It is Thursday, the 12th, and I tested out today, so all that's taken care of. I still have to do a half a day tomorrow to finish up paperwork and get my hours put in, stuff like that, and then I'll be taking off. So this evening I've just been getting things put away, getting the trailer packed up, getting things put away that I can put away. I still have to disconnect the utilities and stuff like that, but I'm just going to get up at 5 a.m., get all that taken care of, get the truck hooked up to the Airstream, and go. I'm taking the Airstream with me tomorrow to training. That way I don't have to, at the end of the day, come back and get it, hook it up, and then go. Because I'm probably going to do half a day tomorrow, so I'm not going to screw around. I'm just going to go straight home so I can see Lynn, because it's been 2 weeks. The first week went really slow, but the second week, it's moved along pretty good. It doesn't feel like it's been almost a full week already. But I gotta say, this Airstream, with all the windows opened up, it is nice because it's about 75 degrees right now. And you can see I've got everything cleaned up. I got the table cleaned up, everything put away. This table collected a lot of stuff over the week. And you can see I got the windows opened up, and it is really nice in this trailer having the breeze come through here with everything opened up. There's so much light that comes in. So I'm gonna finish doing some stuff around here. Well, who's texting me? Oh, it's John Schrag. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get finished putting stuff away. I will catch up to you guys tomorrow when I'm out of here. Alright, so it's Friday morning. It's, I don't know, somewhere around 6:30-ish in the morning. Still dark out. So I got everything packed up, put away. All the utilities are disconnected, the tanks are dumped, and it's just now starting to rain, so my timing was perfect. But I was checking my tank levels, and I thought of something. On the freshwater tank, it says it's at 50%. Now, those of you that have been watching us know that I just go on and on about hauling with a full fresh tank. Well, there's this, I don't know if you want to call it a myth, going around on Facebook that I hear over and over and over again, that if you haul your fresh tank half full or half empty, whichever way you look at it, that the sloshing back and forth, front and back, will make you lose control while you're towing. So I'm going to try just that. I'm just going to leave it at 50% and try my ride home and see if I notice anything at all. Now, in the past, everybody said, oh, you don't have any problem because you got that big, huge diesel truck when I had the dually. Well, I don't have that anymore. I have a 6.5 foot bed, 4-door Chevy 2500. So I think if 224 pounds sloshing around the tank is going to do anything, I think I might at least feel something. So let's find out. Alright, I'm going to walk around and do a simple light check. Lights on, 4-ways on. Just going to walk around and make sure they're all lit up and or blinking. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, let's get out of here. Well, they let us out of class early today, so I am done with training. Done. I've been driving about 100 miles now. I got 110, I'd say, to get home. So I'm on I-75 going north. It's actually a really beautiful day. It's 81 degrees. I'm loving it. Windows are up, the air conditioning's on. Well, normally my windows would be down, but for the sake of this video, windows are up. And I'm getting better fuel mileage this time. A lot better. Cruise control is set at 70 miles per hour, and I'm reading 10.6 miles per gallon. Now, this time I do have the wind to my back, so that's obviously helping quite a bit. I'm gonna jump off of here, and I will report back when I get some more miles on, because I got that fresh tank filled 50%. and I'm still waiting for more testing for more results on that. So, talk to you later. So I'm going to talk here for a second about the fact that the fresh tank is half full. As I said earlier, a lot of people say the sloshing of the water can, I don't know, make you lose control or make your trailer sway. I don't know, but they all swear it's bad. I have not noticed it. One time I thought, oh, I think I felt something, but I think it's because I was looking for something. 2-lane blacktop, up and down hills, around curves, 55 miles per hour, nothing. Out here on the interstate, going around curves, exit ramps, on ramps, interchanges, whatever, nothing. It honestly makes no difference to me. Now, if I had a half-ton truck, yeah, I'm assuming it could make a difference. But for me personally, with this setup, it makes no difference if the tank's empty, half, or full. Well, I shouldn't say that, because when it's full, it definitely rides smoother, that's for sure. But I'm going to continue on home. So I got a little ways to go yet. But I'm making good time. 70 miles per hour. 10.5 miles per gallon.
Reunited.
I made it home.
Yeah.
And it's cold here.
I told him to be prepared for the cold, because yesterday in the rest of the state it was probably about 80 degrees, except for up around the lake where it was 40.
Yeah, my whole ride home was 80 degrees, 80 to 82, and then about 20 miles south of here it started to drop. It went from 80 to 50 degrees.
Yeah, and it was probably about 47 here. So, and you know, cloudy, windy, rainy, the whole spiel of sadness.
Yes. See, that's
This is what we live with.
this is every day.
Yeah. So when we do get a sunny, non-windy, non-rainy day, it's like magical.
But anyways, the overall functionality of the Airstream has been great. Over the 2 weeks I spent in this trailer, it was great. I know I was really concerned about the shower being small. It's not an issue. It is not an issue whatsoever.
Which is the best part.
Now, I'm 6'2", and my head is like right up against the right up against the ceiling, but I don't have to duck, I don't have to do anything. If I was any taller, then it'd probably be a problem.
Yeah, and if you ever have that question, they do have that stool. You can just sit down in that stool.
Step.
Yeah. Well, whatever. It's a seat.
Yeah, a seat, whatever you want to call it. It'd be a lot nicer if that wasn't there.
Well,
Be a whole
for
lot
some,
nicer.
yeah. I'm sure if it was taller, they wouldn't have that there. Because
Yeah.
you wouldn't need it.
Let's see. I'm going to talk about the campground because I didn't really talk much about it in the last video. There was some video of it. It's a nice campground. It's not great. It's not bad. It's okay.
Mediocre.
Yeah, I liked the location of it because it was well away from any major highways. You know, it wasn't right off the side of I-75 or any heavily traveled road. It was a little ways away from it, which I liked. It made it really quiet. It was a big campground. I feel like the campsites could have been a little bit bigger. I know they weren't all small. There was big ones, small ones. but it's like you're backing right up to somebody else. And I don't know, I don't really like that very much.
Probably not bad this time of year, but...
Yeah. If we were just passing through and needed a place to stay for the night, I would. If we were going to stay for a weekend, I'd do that too.
That's good to know.
Yeah. I did my laundry there, and the dryer actually it worked really, really well. Everything was dry the first go around.
That's good. No more extra quarters needed.
Nope, no extra quarters. Their store was nice. The staff was nice. The rate was, I think it was $51 a night.
Full hookup.
Yeah, full hookup. And they did have cable for, cable TV. But I ended up only using the cable hookup to watch The Walking Dead. Other than that, I got all kinds of TV stations.
Yeah, because you were pretty close to big cities.
Yeah, I would say I picked up maybe 50 channels on the antenna.
Wow.
And a lot of people don't like these omnidirectional antennas. But it worked fine. I got everything I needed. Let's see, the training I was at, it was pretty awful, but it's training.
Training is always bad. I do lots of training. It's all bad.
I've never had training that was good or fun. I mean,
it's not meant to be.
Yeah, so I got the 2 weeks of training done, so now I am a CDL examiner for classes A, B, and C. I don't know if that's good or bad. It just means more work for me, I suppose.
More opportunity, maybe.
Yeah. And then in the last video, I did talk about that possible job opportunity. We talked back and forth about it for a week, and I think at this point we're just gonna stay the course that we're on.
Yeah, we think that that's best. He can always keep that job opportunity in his back pocket if we need it or want it down the road. And the guy who offered it to him was more than happy for him to even consider. So
right, and it was a state job, but I don't know. We are focused on the full-time thing, and I think that we're just going to stay focused on that.
Right. Our ultimate happiness would just be work less, travel more, live more.
Yeah.
We're just going to keep doing what we're doing until the house sells.
Yeah. We're just going to keep paying down debt. Now that the semi's sold, we have more money to put towards debt.
Yeah, and that's really going to help us in the long run.
So now OnStar. I tried that. It was $20 a month for unlimited data. I give it this.
Half and half?
Half and half.
Like a medium.
I'm going to cancel it because right now I don't need it. There's times where the downloads, because I connected my phone to it and did a speed test to see, and there's times where you'd have less than 1 megabit per second upload and download. And there's times where it was 12 megabits per second upload and download. But that was really the fastest it ever was, like 10 to 12. By today's standards, it's slow. It worked out because when I needed to upload a video, I was able to. But without even changing the location I'm in, it's either fast or it's slow. It's not consistent.
Yeah.
It's not consistent whatsoever. And we have Verizon on our cell phones, and I'll do speed tests, and it's fast, almost always fast, but I can't turn on the hotspot. OnStar uses AT&T, and my 1 week of experience with AT&T cell service, I can now tell you I will never, ever consider AT&T as a cell phone carrier. In the future, if I'm in a bind and need to upload, I will reactivate the hotspot in the truck and upload the video, and then I'll probably cancel it. Because that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to cancel it because I don't need it, and it's
$20 extra.
Yeah, it's $20 a month. It's cheap, but don't expect to be streaming video over AT&T hotspot using OnStar. Because you're not going to have a very good time.
We're very happy to be reunited.
Yes.
Finally. It was a very long feeling 2 weeks. It was kind of crazy to think that we've gone up to 5 or 6 weeks of him being gone on the road when he was driving.
Yeah. So now that I'm home, we're just going to clean up the Airstream, and hopefully next weekend we'll be just going on a camping trip.
We're ready to camp so long as Ohio will play along. This weekend it did not.
Living in this trailer was fantastic. It worked out perfect, but now we're going to try camping with us two and 2 dogs.
Yep, we're going to put it to the real test.
Yeah,
Mike got the shakedown done.
See how that works.
Now we're going to do it the real family camping test with the whole clan of the pups. So we'll let you know how that turns out.
Yep, so we will talk to you guys next time.
See you later.